Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to analyze the market using price action, okay, so that you can get profitable entry. Alright, so this is what I do. First of all, I go to the higher time frame, which is either the daily 4-hour or the 1-hour time frame. So let me check. So right here, this is what I can see on the daily. So let me check the 4 hours and see what's going on. Alright, so here on the 4 hours, I can see that we are kind of in an uptrend right now. Okay, so I'm a scalper, so I can actually do my analysis from either the 1 hour or the 4 hour, anywhere I want. Alright, so whichever suits you best. Alright, so here on the 4 hours time frame now, you can see that price is like the trend is kind of changing into a downtrend, right? So now what we will be looking for is sell trade, right? So but you need to like mark out some support and resistance zone that will be maybe bouncing price, or there's going to be a problem, because you can't just sell to this point. No, you can't do that. So you need to like mark out the nearest support and resistance zone that will like block your path. So I can spot a support and resistance zone. I'm just going to use this line to mark it, and then when I go to the lower time frame, I will just draw the zones. Okay, so I'll mark this one from this time frame, and I can see something here again. So I would like try to mark this. I think these two is enough. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame and see. You can see how it is now on the 1 hour time frame. Let's check the 30-minute time frame. Okay, yeah, I think I should use I will use the 30-minute time frame to mark out the zones. Okay, so you can see here on the 30-minute time frame, you can see how it is. Let me first of all mark out the zone so that I will explain it for you guys. So I hope you understand what I've just did here. So now you can see the zooms. I've marked it out, and hopefully you are understanding what's going on here. So you can see that first of all, like I said, we are in an uptrend, right? You can see the movement. Price broke the resistance here, find another resistance here. Now this resistance, which has now become a support. Now price finding support here, bounce the price up again. You can see what's going on here. Now the price was the support zone here, bounce it up, and the resistance here again, bounce it down. You can see how this match up with the trend line. So you can see that there was a support here again, that this support right here is still bounce up. Now this resistance now is now weakening. You know, whenever we are in an uptrend, all resistance zone are bound to break, right? So you can see the force price used here to break this, right? You can see the way price broke it here, and then it found another resistance here, but that is not important now, so I will not mark it. Okay, so it found another resistance here that broke bounce price, and you can see price broke this with full force. Now this support here that is down here is now like holding price, and you can see that it's pushing price. All right, it's kind of pushing price up now. Okay, so now this is what's going on here. You can see that price is kind of going up and down now. All right, So that is what's going on. So since we have broken the trend line, since we have broken this trend line, I believe this is what's going to happen. Maybe it's going to go back to retest this, which is the previous resistance above there, and then continue going down. So what I'll be looking at for now is just sell trade. All right, I will not be looking for any buy entries here. All right, so what I will do now is just wait patiently and wait for this, like it's either price to go back to this place, and then I'll look for my sell entry from that place. All right, I'll look for my sell entry and then target for this area. Right, that is how to scalp. I'll target for this nearest area at this place. Then whenever it breaks, I'll wait for the retest and then I'll look for another entry there again and then sell to the downside. Right, so this is what I'll be looking out for now. This is what I'll be waiting for. Right, so I just said I should quickly share this with you. Just said I should quickly share this with this movement with you. This is volatility 75 1 second. Right, so I'll do my top down analysis from the 4 hours, and then I'll be looking down to the 5 minutes to take my entry. Right, the 5 minutes is going to be the time frame I'll be taking my entries from. Right, that's where I'll be looking for my entry patterns or candlestick pattern or whatever it is that I'll use to give the final confirmation before I'll take my entry. Right, so I just said I should quickly share with you. So I will pause the video now, and then maybe whenever this plays out, I will show you how the outcome is. All right, so that is all for this one right here, guys. That's all. So I will pause the video right here, and then later on, when this movement is finished, I will show you how it plays out. Well, this is just my own view. It might go up again, bounce, break this, retest it, and then continue to the upside, right? And it might just go back here and then continue to the downside, right? These are the two ways it will go. But me now, personally, I'll be waiting for sell entry. But if it doesn't go that way, then I'll wait for it to break this zone. I'll wait for it to break this zone. Alright, I'll wait for it to break this zone before I take any buy entry to the upside. Alright, so this is what I'll be waiting for right now, guys. So if you get value, just make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I draw a powerful content like this, you get notified immediately. Alright, so that's pretty much all for this video. Let's just wait and see how it plays out. Thank you. So guys, here is the trade I earlier made my analysis on. Alright, so like I've said earlier, I said that it's going to go up, which is going to be a retest, and then come down, and that is what's happening right now. So I said I was going to wait for it to get up, then I take my sell, but actually I slept off, and waking up this morning now, I saw this, right? So it has missed my entry area, so I will just either set a sell stop or a sell limit here. Alright, I'll either set a sell limit at this area so that when it goes back again, it can trigger it and then continue to the downside, or I'll wait for it to break this support down here. Right, I'll wait for it to break the support, retest it, and then I'll look for another sell opportunity there, then sell to the downside. Right, so as predicted, it's going according to the plans right now. Right, so we just wait and see it. So I just say I should quickly show you guys how it's going. Right, so when I was making the video yesterday, it's around something like 10 to 11 o'clock in the night. Right, so this is in the morning right now, because I said I was going to show you how it will play out. Right, and I was planning to sell too, but actually I slept off, and this is what's happening right now. So I said I should just quickly show you, and then I will be done with this video. Alright, so that is everything, guys. See you guys in the next video. Silver out.